ask ourselves what things they happen around us, anytime when we wake up in the morning. This is to make sure say yes, we know how we go to forge our head. Because if you don't ask questions about what happened before, you know if you know how you go to move ahead. The truth be say, yes, it happened yesterday. We know if you change it. But this when we say happened yesterday, if you make us prepare for tomorrow. And if you're not doing like that, no time when we say yes, if you take go ahead. My name is Thomas Hadas. Welcome to our program. This is the call Good Morning from Benin. And like you know, we do to make sure say your weekend stand for there. And today now we don't put many things to make sure say you start your weekend the way what it's supposed to be. Like the one we say you no go forget. Forget so many things that when we say we will do talk to make sure say our Nigeria, our country, in a better place. Ima Akpololo Victor Rio. Good morning to the program. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Matter plenty for grants. And what we say make we look and they go. We don't know where for start. We don't know where for end. Because for every day when you wake up, now you go see one thing up for Nigeria. Every day when you say you wake up, now you go see one thing up for Edo State. Every day when you say you wake up, every day when you wake up, now you go see one thing up for Benin. And other places like that.
No one good.
What do you make if you say no one good this side?
No one they good now.
Now because now the bad one we go always talk about so that people go make amends, especially our leaders, when we say they're in charge. We go always call our leaders for anything. And anytime this is something happen, now leaders you go call. You know go call person when we say no anything. Now voter you go call. What you concern? Now the situation we say we would pay for some kind of area like that. One go do for somewhere. Person when we go call. Now you go call. You don't go to say you want to call one guy, we go tell you about something. You know agreement you call the person. Who you want to go call? Person when no go answer you. Benin man say it's if you to call person where you no go answer you. Call the one who know the house. I bet you don't be so bitter. So how would they look at now? Many things that they happen. We go put more for police matter. We go put more for the one we say they get accident for this place here. We go put more for the one we say they talk say we don't even need the way they call and say doctors won't get for our country they too plenty. You understand? Who won't go? Where you want go? Make it go. We go put more for the one we say concern say the minister when we say they in charge or chief of army staff took over talk and now say how it will be. See the way when we say we go to fight terrorism for our country. But question when people they ask, 4 years after, now you can't know how you go take fight terrorism. You know, so when they go school, undergraduate years, that 4 years, maybe that don't learn the thing, how it will be. You know, so when you don't graduate now, you can't know how it don't be. So 4 years after, you don't become undergraduate, you don't become graduate, you don't already know how. So some of the things that we will talk about, and don't forget we will talk about we will look at our newspapers too as the program they go. And we will still talk about this enemy man. We will expect to talk about the brain drain after we don't still talk too. Make we start from this brain drain matter. You understand? Because minister talking the other time say CIB, CINOB, that is minister in charge for not be labor and productivity.
Yeah.
That is Chris Ngige. Before we go to that Chris Ngige matter, how would be? I'm more for look the one we say police they kill up and down. More for look that one first.
Well, first of all, make I establish say may we not get it wrong when it comes to leadership. Every leader, what did they make you to be good leader? Now your ability to be able to solve problem. You not get how problem not go ever day.
Problem was there
for your house, for the society, for church, for mosque, for everywhere when we say you day, problem was there. But the steps to solve the problem, what make us different from Oyibo? Unfortunately, the couple and say black people, they use something, but I don't know if you say black now, not South Africa, because Rwanda don't still go themselves out. As at yesterday, you know, she say Ghana, president of Ghana, don't still copy that from Rwanda, that no citizen of Ghana will die because of say they not quick see drugs or all this blood. So then don't see sign agreement now with that company to ensure say they do it till anybody who need blood in less than 30 minutes, who need all those anti-snake viral, all those ones, in less than 30 minutes, you reach out. So what are the try to?
But to forget that, we not forget, Shati, our country, Nigeria, we sign many agreements now. Almost every day now we sign new agreement.
Their own, no. What do you make?
So what you call the difference between their own now when they
their own, they don't start.
And we when they start, okay, we sign our own, no start.
Our own will be thief.
No.
Yeah, so I said we. I'm not saying you now.
No.
I'm not saying you. I'm not saying you. I said we be thief.
Imam, wait first. wait first. When we talk that kind of thing, you generalize. That one, how you both call, I think, a fallacy of hasty generalization.
I said, okay, wait.
No.
Okay,
No, our own. We'll put our, that way.
I'm not telling you.
I know. Our own now, some of us know this sincere about her.
Go be thief.
No.
Okay, some of us don't
know
say this sincere
about her.
Okay,
most of us know this sincere about her.
See, this is what they talk about. So, you live with your travel experience. What is really there inside?
And that be the sincerity. What
is really inside this matter?
Because the truth is this: if we see matter, and we look and say this matter na so it be, make we follow on to the end. Somebody tell me. Some people they when we say yes, they go call you. They go tell you the truth. To see how this matter be. You talk of a local government chairman. You say, oh boy, this office, you get the way it be. They can't even they follow on. If you enter here, unless you get God for your side, then you say you don't go meet. Wait first, don't worry. I don't want to be talker. I want to put her in a way where we say all of us because when we talk the way the man talk and raw like that, you get.
No, I go raw for the other side.
The man talks say yes, say if you enter this office, unless God deal with you, now you go fit think straight. They do what thing go happen well because the kind of money when we say they come. Now so on that person still tell you, and I know of that one well. He say what did they be say the kind of money when you don't get say generation to come up to 2-3 generations so they no go suffer.
No,
they forget the money, God make money.
So the issue that we say for this country, my brother, one man day, he get 2 universities, and those 2 universities, they be world-class universities.
Yeah.
And right now, even presidents of other countries, they come with the ask and say, how they will take get a right for their educational setup. The person is a Nigerian citizen. Yet go our universities. So if we get that brain, if they do our own, they succeed. How come that the ones when we say they put off for inside office could do could be like this?
Now be the challenge when we say with the get right from day one. Private enterprise they always thrive past public enterprise. Go check her. If you look at some of the best television stations in the country today now, private stations. Abi, ITV, AIT, TVC, Channels. You go see and say all of them are private. Even the new one BC.com so arise. Now private. You know, go compare them with some other local, some other government-owned districts. They are not doing excellently well. Now look at what TBC will they talk now. Look, not be somebody Nigeria don't they build refinery, don't they turn around since the last refinery will get 3. Gone one time. You understand? Gone one time. Time when gone one take rule. People when they're born that time, they don't become grandfathers and grandmothers. You understand? Let's build those 3. Nobody, no government come, no successive government will build again. But don't go to the build your own now, which day starts. 2 years ago, you say go complete on this year to make it 3 years. You give yourself target, say in 3 years' time, I will do this thing. And now they come to fruition. So now this year say want to open it. Just look at. Because the private man will look and say this is not my own. We know they look government own as our own. That might be one big problem when we see the water for this country. Until when we see they look government thing say now our own, we will continue to suffer this kind of fate. You don't understand? Until we talk and say this one on my own. Just imagine what you are saying now. There was one man when we see a transporter for this place. When a Edo line they get issues, they call him because they look and say in a successful transporter. You don't understand? Now come and put that to expertise into state-owned, government-owned.
You reckon?
You know fit do one.
You kill him.
You understand? So you know fit do one. So now be the thing when we say they. So other people they like that. I don't know why it go bless our because that is not there for us. Government work, we not they carry for head. I sure that will they carry put.
I think where we get it wrong here, maybe we'll go back to the basics. Where be the basics? You know, say for all those other countries, from small picking, the government go ensure they give you so many opportunities. When you grow up, you don't get any choice than to do what? Give back to government. You know what I'm saying now? Because I can't discover say, my brother, with all due respect, 95% of us when they enter government office, not to get everything what they talk for television online.
No. Not be able to be talk television online.
To get. Now just wait.
You see the way it starts this thing. Now how they take bring it come from the beginning. You say in most countries, the government they put into the system.
Yes, invest into those people.
You don't get
you
choice.
As a child of the country.
You don't get
from
choice.
Beginning.
You don't get choice. Say that when you don't grow, not to give back.
Yes.
So, but when you look around, say government no great give to you. everything when be say you dey do now because the sweat wey you dey be say you dey make come out for your body. The next thing you go think, now let me do the same myself. So na myself I go dey think of.
And even if you dey think of yourself, the one wey dey for the people, why you dey put your hand?
No, see, now be waiting. See, the way it don't be now.
The problem now.
The way at the convert of the way it don't be now, we don't look and say this is an opportunity. Everybody struggle to go that place because they know say when they enter there, they must get and get. That is why they invest what they have to get to that place. If you don't go for this, if you like public office now, elections of elective offices, then you don't go there. You go fight put. You know how costly it is that you go even stay. Somebody go tell you, say, Ima, you know they go. Maybe somebody talk a lot and say, no, this is not big man food, not be for children. You know, understand that position for big men, not be for children, you understand? So when you look that kind of thing, you can't struggle. There's no great gift to you. Then you can't struggle. Invest your time, invest your money, and the first thing you go think of as a capitalist. Now I don't invest my money. How one I go take get take me profit on top. Now you go to think of. Somebody talk in national legislator. You know they again now. You talk and say yes, people come meet. I mean they no come meet that he paid. He said he paid for this position when we say he did.
The time of them.
You understand? Wait first now.
David Back time. One say I did not come to Abuja to spread poverty. I don't forget. When issue of furniture allowance.
You understand? So he said he paid to enter this office. So everything when we say get that is not accountable to anybody. He said if they like say the next if he, at the end of his tenure they don't vote for him again. He said no care. You know that? Yes, now. If I don't get what he be, not be what he hide.
Nah, but that one a person will get conscious.
No, not be what he hide. Why? Because no, as they follow the analogy of Mark Ololo, because he don't look and say yes, the system no give to him. Everything when we say he give, that's how no go blame him at times.
So
everything when we say yes, he get what he achieve. Now what he do is he use his hand.
Go back to the system.
Which how you want to go back?
No, we got to go back.
How you want
It's
to
never
go?
too late.
Listen,
Because you know why we need to go back?
Listen.
A system that encourages one man to pick 500 million every month as security vote. We have to go back, sir. No governor, all the former governors, most of the Senate, they know they think because they don't chop for inside.
Now true fight.
And then no one make up. They also they create way where other people go chop. No, we can't continue that way.
The only way we will take go
It's
back.
true.
Now true fight.
Which fight?
Come, may I tell you? See Algeria.
No, we no go that kind of fight when
Listen.
Wait first.
Algeria today, your president, I think it's just say headstrong. You know, come out. Even as he come out, the citizens say like all of them. We did that government. Say not until all of them come out.
You know what? Wait first.
And they call Nigeria don't pass that stage.
No,
Because they start stage.
now that
Wait first. No, before we go far, that matter make I tell you. That one are protests.
What
You
protest?
understand?
We dey forbid protests.
When you say fights, you go be like say yes, say.
You say make people go carry gun.
no, not be that one. Protest.
A peaceful protest is allowed as long as you don't go destroy government property.
Those one not destroy property.
I understand. Peaceful protest is very, very, very allowed as long as you don't go destroy government property.
See Sudan.
Even when they protest, people
But
there
the
around them.
best protest
And-
in Nigeria now be subsidy protest. At the end of the what happen? We discover that the protest na president sponsor.
Okay, you know what?
And for Nigeria, most of the protests na money. We don't go deep into
Now the system.
That is
our system don't see. You don't reach here. Bible just say the thing go do your knee, you go do your this one, you go do our own. We don't reach almost all of us.
They will do it the way Algeria
So to go back, no, Algeria own.
they do it the way Sudan do it.
Gentlemen, you know
So
what?
that now only that one go take us.
No, you know
back
what?
to the base.
I will still believe. Say yes. Say we need to talk to our leaders. And listen now. We need to talk to our leaders and all of that.
If I may-
you wait now.
Leaders,
You wait now. We need to talk to our leaders and all of that. If they are not doing things rightly, now our responsibility to say what you are doing is wrong. And
Sado,
it's-
do you know why they feel say something wrong with? I can't say Africa now in Nigerians. That's it, because if I say Africans now, I will talk about Rwanda not there, Ghana not there. You know,
Ghana don't come out.
Ghana don't even come out from that place. As at last week here, the first kidnapping ever took place in Ghana, and it was what? Nigerians.
3 Nigerians.
3 Nigerians. Now they start kidnapping from Ghana.
One Lebanese guy.
Yes. The ambassador of Estonia to Ghana, now they cash. And in less than 3 hours, they catch the man, they recover the man.
Yeah.
So the issue is that, number
But
one,
they are still looking for the Nigerians.
yes, they're still looking for them.
But they don't rescue the.
They don't rescue the man. So the issue is that why I say and something is wrong with us, most of times, some of us now we don't also get privilege say we dey go other countries, they go see with them for them. The way we dey go, now they go.
Yeah.
How come that when they go there, they will sell this beautiful amenity, when you come back, it becomes something else?
Gentlemen, you know what to do there? Make we take small break. We'll take small break. Or we'll come back, we'll look papers and the rest will continue for where we say we stop. No going anywhere. Name of the program. Good morning from Benin. The issue from independent television for Benin. Anyway, BC the watchers around the world. More take small break. We'll come back just now. No going anywhere. The program, the Waka dey Go, the program and Good Morning from Benin, and we dey see things the way it's supposed to be. We go look matter when we say yes, they happen around us. We see for news for time when we say no take. Even yesterday we see about 2 days ago we saw countries when we say it happened for town. We want to look this matter well. So people they just say the Waka they go somewhere, they want collect money. Or they want to collect money, police meet there. When police meet there, say bring money, bring that money. We go look this matter. But for them, we go take this report when this our sister, Rosalie what I may do, that we go know the background of this whole thing, so we know how to follow. And even what to say the police commissioner talk, but it's the matter. Stay with us.
I was just coming out from the bank. I carried one small rubber bag. I was just about to turn, and they stopped me. They said that I should open my boot. I opened my boot for them. They said, "Where am I walking?" Say this, that. Say make a motor. Now I go carry my phone. I go call my mom. Then they say make I stop the phone. Make I off the phone. Say make I bring 100,000. Now I go say what did I do? I'm not giving you 100,000. Now you start to say me na criminal, me na thief. Now the other one just blow me for eye. He was saying, policeman, show me your ID card. He tell me say what I not see go for yard. So make I give her 100,000.
Normally, they will ask them for ID card if they really they do their work. I did hear when the guy come out from back. They see me enter motor, make they drive, they go. Say me bring money. The guy say no get money. Why they will see me bring money? Now students it be now.
This is one of several incidents that happened recently in Benin City, where policemen allegedly extorted money or perhaps detained some persons, especially young boys, on suspicion of being internet fraudster. It is learned that some policemen at some strategic locations, especially around premises of banks, to monitor young boys' transactions in the banks. Against this backdrop, Edo State Commissioner of Police, Dam Malam Mohammed, said any policeman found culpable of illegal detention, extortion or harassing any member of the public will be arrested and prosecuted.
What this present IG is saying no to illegal arrest and detention. He's saying no to torture. He's saying no to extrajudicial killing. And he's saying no to criminal extortion of money from members of the public. He believes in constitutionalism. He believes in due process. He believes in the rule of law. And this is where we stand. We stand with you, and we are going to give you that maximum support to make sure that the good people of Nigeria enjoy their freedom.
It is expected that policemen in Edo State will heed the warning of Edo State Commissioner of Police. Roslyn Evorame reporting.
You see what it basically happen, you see that report there and all of that, the thing they make me they laugh somehow because everybody gets different kind of experience. And also they talk, I just listen to my brothers, they when we say they for radio and they hear the kind of when we say that they talk. A semblance of what we say it they happen. Now, the young man say in commot, they go collect money. When they come, police stop her. First when they ask, bring your phone. If I'm not mistaken, I remember the former Inspector General of Police, what do they call him? When he come out, so when he give Adamu, he say nobody get the right to check your phone. That's the code they worry me here this morning. Nobody get the right to check your phone. And they check the man's phone. Apart from that, the next one they do is make you come pay 100,000. The man don't see the money pay. They want to drag her, they beat her according to the guy just now. This is not some of the things they won't be see with the Nigerian police. Waiting they happen now.
For Edo State.
Okay, for Edo State. No, here within.
This matter is long well. But the only thing when I want beg, we say, number one, I go beg our royal father. You know why? I don't know how you want to do it. But make him help Edo people. Because every policeman when they transfer from Edo state always work in transfer back just because of all these things wey be say they do so. You understand? Now this kind of thing when it happen here so you can't try this kind of thing in somewhere like Sokoto or Kano or Zamfara or Katsina or even Benue. Say for instance say they transfer you from there you go work yourself come back la. But wetin there don when we say police go dey always dey use 100,000 500,000 even 1 million take transfer themselves work themselves back na because of this thing wey dey chop. Dem believe say Edo na oye well and so they will always come and work themselves back for Edo state. Now you see an inspector driving Votron, you see an inspector driving what do be these messages G-Wagon. Where did they get that money? You see a DSP driving cars of 5 million 4 million, where did they get this money? These are the things. Then too, now these kind of people, you don't see this one, you don't see round and on. Now what I bring back, that is the police. Most I think I won't say all, but right now 60% of police work in Edo State now only Yahoo. They will call you, bring your phone, bring your laptop. Anybody will carry laptop now Yahoo person. But anybody will not. This is just what is going on in Edo State.
Wait, no, now they talk just and say the Inspector General of Police when come out that time. It means that nobody get the right to charge to search your phone. Nobody get the right to ask for your phone. That thing has not been contested. Never to change them. So why BT will say they are allowed? Maybe more yes more from Victor. More yes more.
Wait, not be say you they go far when you talk of
Inspector General of Police.
Inspector General of Police. Before former CP Gwandu, before he come out, he talk anytime we want to do briefing. He warned them. He say, he no 1 year say you carry Pepsi. You see person they waka for road, you carry am, you dey search am.
This na policeman now. We never hear now say, but this time suppose don't arrest this kind of people now. No, because they don't hide the face now.
They are always settling somebody.
Okay, wait first now. Why are always settling somebody? Wait first now. The question
is that they see they are always settling somebody.
Wait,
no, so I've got to talk.
You wait now.
They don't want to settle somebody.
Wait now. Who will be the person who is
why this thing they continue for
you wait, Akpololo, wait. Who will be the person who will be said they settle? But what thing I know be say
these people settle somebody.
The question that they ask now, how come the man see camera? Why they run? It's not a good thing you they do. You suppose they do and make camera even record you. Now you go shot. You should say yes, maybe what they do. If they wrong.
In a civilized country for abroad, you see police go the whole Pepsi.
Yeah.
Criminal. They do and they do.
You they record? I know.
No, if you they record, I know. Record as you want to record.
And this one give better because they do the general yesterday.
Because they know say
because they are work.
Now they do. But for Nigeria police, before they see camera, I said one day that accident when I bring for first junction, Sapler by Omoruji junction. When I run into that accident, as I carry phone, they film accident. That one woman police
from nowhere come out.
They warn me. He said, "Me I not use that phone take face am." Now sir, madam.
Are you sure you did?
You dey do your work as a police woman. I be traffic police. Me dey do my work as a journalist. If you no wan make you enter camera, go stay one corner because you no go fit stop me. Me I no do my work.
You know we see what they do Dondera yesterday.
You understand?
Yesterday, so they bundle Dondera, bundle the cameraman, and carry them to state level because of this.
The last statement.
What did they do?
You hear the last statement of the reporter. Say he pray. Make them hear.
You go pray now. Make the electoral commissioner talk.
This thing, if the commissioner hand.
Okay.
I think it's beyond the commissioner. The AIG. Wait. See, I want the IUJ chairman, Comrade Osakwe, to take up this matter with the AIG because the commissioner. No, you know why? This thing has to be too much.
Akpololo, wait.
It's too much.
Akpololo, wait. You might tell you one thing. Listen. No be the one when be say yes, say you they give challenge, the true challenge for here. You two now member of the Nigeria Union of Journalists.
Okay, no, okay.
You wait now.
You wait now.
You wait now.
They don't detain me last year. No be say wait.
He said that.
They determine now.
Okay. Nobody will wait again. Carry on.
I dey call on the not true now. I dey call on the AIJ chairman make he take up this matter with AIG. You know why? This thing not too much. For this Edo, for the past 2 years, I can confirm to you, this operation never stop. All the time, when they see any young man, bring your phone, bring your laptop, bring your phone, bring your laptop. Any young man will carry motor. They drive, carry new motor, they pass, bring your phone, they was ask on the work. They don't need police work now, like this, yahoo.
Wait. Apollo never true.
No, make it enter.
No, never true.
No, make it
No, never true.
May I help him? My brother, why I talk say na CP hand? He did. I dey always dey talk am. We go always dey take people mind go back. When Bala Hassan dey here as CP, he call all the DPOs. He tell them say I don't want anything from una. I don't want any gift. That's the word we use. The only gift when I want from una, that be armed robber. Catch armed robber, come give me. 2, in no 1 year, in they tell una now say, una so na whole person. Say paper not come, paper expire or driving license expire. Go and talk to your boys. If I hear any station when I hear, you as the DPO, I will remove you from there because don't be that one I say now. Now I'm robber. Now I want.
Okay. See, man, give you.
And they come.
Okay.
And they come. Now, since when this man come out for Benin,
Come on for Edo State.
come out for Edo State, we never see person where if he pull leg for that shoe where he put, where he wear, come out. This thing, it dey happen every day. At times when you go reach police headquarters, you'll be like where they do crusade. Then don't tell them whether na to make match. Don't be the one where CP talk now. Just don't be go outside now. Monitor them whether all these things you go work.
It's not working now.
So not be when CP come and talk. When you come and talk, you stand by your words.
But now yesterday you just talk now. Make we.
Sado.
Yes,
The same thing when you want talk so. What's his name? CP Aliru Gwandu came on this station, said this several times. Did it work? This same thing.
What is that? What?
Say make they don't have rights. The police does not have rights.
You know that one.
Or check your WhatsApp.
That one. Listen, gentlemen, wait first. That one no be what I want talk. I said that just yesterday, night the man talk this thing. Just yesterday.
But other commissioners don't talk the same thing, and the thing not stop.
When you wait now, this there's a difference between Thomas Sado as the presenter of this program and my style I go use. When you the anchor to, you use your style. When Vittorio the anchor, he use his style. That's why they be. So what I try to let us know now, say, we go give this man the benefit of the doubt. You know why? Other people don't talk before you know work. He don't talk his own now. And yesterday talker. This man never go round. So make we wait. After he don't talk him, what will happen? You know understand? You hear what the guy talk when you make reference to now. He say it is hoped that the policemen will heed the warning of the commissioner of police. I mean, say talk. So now another challenge that they give the commissioner now. So now just yesterday talk. Make we look at anything when they do for this. Like that this is the get end. If you come like and say, man, the way this is going, I don't like it. I want to change it. Well, you know you have the power.
If
you wait now. You know you have the power. Now it has come to say the way it is now. I no go agree. Make it be my input down because this thing. Wait now, you wait Apollo. Wait because this is the way it is. They rampant. I don't know. We did hear the other day one young man cry. Come here. You see they put tear gas for your eye. You did hear now on a Sunday. They put tear gas. If they come from church, see some policemen they bundle some boys. Enter inside this thing. People come they record. And they record the people now. The policemen come say, why did they record it? Because the man say no, they record and all of that. You know, everybody run. Where carry camera. You know understand? Where carry phone, the record. You know, you know run. Now they hold him, say, in the record. He no record. The policeman pounce on the boy, beat and pour tear gas for his eyes. The guy cry coming on a Sunday. The question is, if you know what you do say they right, why you go to run?
Sado,
why you go to say they don't record you?
That boy now was this not be this man. Maybe commissioner of police that time.
No, not be him.
At the end of the day, nothing happened.
Now they talk so.
The only thing that I call here is whether Henry the album, some people they call help and go court. The same thing. The same thing when they do that one, when they do Don General and the Russia crew, Wasunu crew yesterday, say why Don General the record, now they pass on them, beat them, can't go police headquarters. The issue is that if person there when they really settle for headquarters, this thing for not stop. The commissioner of police don't fit up say, no, okay, are you telling me that now you know say boys they do this thing? Is it now? So I'm asking you. Is it now he's aware that these young people are doing this thing? If at all, one of the DC CID, one of the DC administration, one of the ACCID, one of them, are they not aware that these boys are doing this thing? You know, what have they been able to do? Don't they get information about this thing before now?
Okay, Ekwalolo, wait now.
There is a lot of corruption in the system.
Wait now, that one has been established. Say corruption there for the system. It has been established. There no fight for that one. But how they go take care of? Now be the thing when we say we look at now.
Because
you know why?
If you want Kera, go Kera. I go talk. You know, you
see, I been here.
I don't see so many TV we talk. When you happen?
Akpololo, there's so many TV where you don't see. You don't see Damala Musa, Damala. What do they call the man? Damala, what is it? Mohammed. You don't see anyone like that before for those states. You never see. What are the church saying? I say you will that is it. You will get the benefit of the doubt. So if you don't get that benefit of the doubt, you see me. If you don't take action, tomorrow the program will come here again. And if you see, we talk and say, since when the basic commissioner talk this thing, say me they know they do again. They say they do. I believe so. So because now he get all room to defend himself. Number one, because that's what happened to the general yesterday. Now, if he tell you, now say he never hear. If he tell you that. Say he never hear, they never brief her. If you tell you now say yes, say he might just have a television so. Now make her say yes, say you go call somebody because say what you are here say happened yesterday for a journalist. When we say they go around, when we say they beat and the rest of them, what is the true position? Maybe you never hear. No, that Don General he apologized to John because at the end of the day, police he can't settle the matter. He can't say the journalist is doing his job. While the police is doing their job, and at the duty of the journalist to do that thing. He quarreled with the police. But what my chairman, AUJ chairman, is saying that no, that the people should tender a public apology. Why? Not the first time when this thing happen. And if you don't do it like that, it go trouble again. Why they go beat on for our side? Can't go apologize for inside. Now tell you so that you wait now. Now demand you make. When did he make that? When the NUJ chairman make that one?
This morning.
So that be the thing.
By what he talk.
You wait now. You wait.
The NUJ chairman.
You wait now. You wait. You see, I'm saying he don't talk at this morning. Whether we like him or not, until don't they born plenty children.
Yes.
You don't understand? So if you born pikin, you go watch me that pikin grow, make you know how the pikin you call go, what you call be. That be the thing. So now the general was beaten outside, molested outside, manhandled outside. They can't go inside, go tell her say sorry. That one said now even still good thing because people don't go to say sorry. You know now, you recall your own case, your own issue that time. They don't tell you sorry till now. Nobody tell you sorry till now. So that be the thing. So now we don't go front down. There was a commissioner that molested Emmanuel Akpololo. He didn't tell him sorry. There was another commissioner of police when he be say during the time they molested the general. Instead the general say sorry. Now there is a time again. When they say the NUJ chairman at those states, Rolando Osako say, we're not going to take public, we're not going to take sorry for inside house. You beat us for our side, go tell us sorry for our side. So that today now they say don't make that demand now. So before the end of the day, we go see what they say this pikin go born or what he go talk to. So now they beg us say, let's give the man the benefit of the doubt. You don't really talk, make we see how it go take different from Gwandu, how it take different from Kokumo, how it take different from other people, other commission where they come before. You don't understand? And most is different because this is done the day for a very long period of time. And a bad name. Now they bring come to the Nigerian police. Now a very bad thing. Because somebody not just the waka they go, the next way you see, and I can't see them. Now people the way they drive fanciful cars. Now they hold, especially the assassin a young boy. You don't understand? I tell you what happened last week here. On Saturday. Now on Saturday, yes, I they drive by Siloko Road. Come down. You say if you went before you enter Ekewan Road, you go get where you go past like this. But I met some policemen there. You actually hear me so? I met some policemen there. They let me pass. I greet them. I pass. The next one I see, I call somebody when be say he stop a colleague wife, call her a wife. They stop this thing. Now I can't go meet her. Then I come beg me. August I don't beg go straight to the apple. Now I come down. I go meet the policeman. I say, I beg, this is not my colleague. What will be the issue? He say the woman papers not correct. I said, but help me check the papers, whether the woman really gets the motor in the first place. The court will say, yes, that the woman get the motor. That one is established facts, then I get the motor. He said, but the papers are not correct. And I recall, for time and notice, they tell us that only road safety, now they get the right to ask for your papers. And if they say your papers are not even correct, they say, go and pay. Go and renew your paper because they shortchange government of your revenue.
Yes.
Because now you don't check and say this man paper is correct and all of that. Unless you tell me, say, the motor when you say the hold now, say maybe they look for that kind of motor before. They don't see him. You know, now you say if you arrest that motor. Yes. But then you don't establish say this woman and this motor now she get her. They want to allow her go. You know what happened? And this one be the story. The story be say, yes, say one of the colleagues come arrest one of that guy go. It's not the same offense, and that guy take carry and come out. A policeman, they tell me, Thomas Ado, he say, I bet what they be say, in here what we talk, other person, I bet me can give them 500 naira. So that's a colleague if he come back, make it tell us, say, he show us, say, the money when he say, I draw before he allow the motor to come out. Now, I say, which kind of robbery be that? I say, don't you as policemen have trust among yourself? You don't understand? He said, the only thing we say, if you show the guy, say that true, say, sweetie, withdraw for that motor. Now make him be say, allow the motor. I say, can't, whether they listen to yourself at all, you expect me to give you 500 naira. He said, no man, I tell the woman, I tell the woman, I say, me, I not get that kind of money, and I can't give a policeman money on this kind of ground. Why? So that be the level. So at the end of the day, whatever happened, you know, now somebody when be say, yes, say, he can't come, one of their madam did like to say, I beg, let this person go. Make you tell her, make you go repair, make you go fix the papers, and the rest. Then be what he be say happen. So if you look at all those kind of things, we look and say, we don't get where we say where they go. We have to do this thing rightly. And when we do this thing rightly, the only way to do it rightly is say, Commissioner of Police now, he don't give threats. He don't give warning. Let's see what is going to happen. I can't believe this thing they improve. Oh. The former commissioner of police will come out before this Damalan come out. Now only come out to say, yes, a policeman is narcotist. You don't understand? You recall, that's what it happened for Odumosu. He come and say, yes, this policeman was a cultist. In the heart. Victoria talk about that and say, family the driver come from Melon. But the way they were kind now, blessed for the driver come from Melon. Because you go do what they buy, you go to chop Melon when they be, or they go expose you. So let's just wait and see what's going to
from the experience of CP Kokumo. We begin to ask ourselves, or I begin to ask people, why are they in public office? Is it there to serve people or there to claim that I am higher than you? You know, if it is there to serve people, then they serve. If it is not there to serve people, let them stop.
The same Kokumo, I asked him a question one day. That man nearly chopped me raw.
Just to be.
No, that's not that.
I understand. I said, I asked question when I do parade. He said, why must you ask me this kind of question?
This one, I go ask him. I also say the Commissioner of Police is watching.
Okay.
He should call out the DPOs and the area commanders.
And I know if the Commissioner of Police is not watching.
If not watching,
and I know
DCCIG and that DC, let them tell him. He should call the area commanders and the DPOs and tell them. This thing is spoiling our image, but of course, because we don't talk this many times and nothing happen. I'm not confident. Now your face now come put my face now. If not, we have discussed this issue many times. Those state committee now in the center of where everybody is walking
make you wait now. If now all this one will be so with the talk now, you know, free say even what is the color, even the citizens they say they even get their own insight. Because if you know, you they tell us the story outside just now, or somebody will be they search a phone, they see over 3 million inside. It's not your father get the money.
Yeah.
Your father is a farmer. Now low when we say collect. When we say yes, collect federal government, be waiting for collect the money, say what to do it to farming. At the end of the day, they see the money for inside this bar phone. They check the phone. They get over 3 million naira account balance for inside the phone. We forget that say make it go bring 1 million come out of the money. A policeman. You know? So at the end of the day, the young man said, "Call the offer 500,000. Why you go offer that kind of money? Why? Because you look and say, yes, what did they do? Say they're wrong. If you know that thing, you don't get hand inside, you go insist. They're not going to kill you there.
Thomas Ado, where it is in our law, police get right Nigerians to open your phone and check their card balance.
You have a question. You ask a question. Let me answer you. I don't talk over and over again. Say the police don't have the right to check your phone. You don't have the right to check your phone. Now, if that one they wrong, you yourself, when you know say you don't get anything bad when you do, why you go offer to give the police back 500,000 when you say don't you say yes, maybe 1 million?
Sadomi, I tell you, these people I know them too well. They pray. May they not put you for third corner. You understand? They pray because some of them, they read the dubious. They go formulate something. I said that what you not know anything about.
The formula put our person head.
Put them for your head. And you all not to live there. You know this man always where they beat key. Not be this being where man around and follow.
What was
his offense?
The younger brother to Solomon Obude.
What did be Benson Obude offense? What did he
your offense?
SARS from Lagos enter Benin. They beat the guy, beat and kill him. Still carry ATM card, go withdraw the money for your account. What did the boy do?
The boy do anything.
Now they talk so now. So by the time they drag all this matter like this now, they go to hear the people of the authority, they go to hear and they go to do.
But of course, we don't drag, you know what?
They go do the right thing.
We don't do the right thing.
No, if we not talk, I will see. The truth be say, if you not get belief, you talk about and say you won't join your faith.
Now your faith because I don't too talk, I don't tire.
Now they tell you so, no tire. Because now it be the work what they do here. We must continue to talk, say yes, this, you know, because listen, the truth be say, whether we like them or not, all the ease in the society will continue to bring them to the fore. Maybe they know. So I beg you, make you no tire. And secondly too, just look at now. If this man don't come, you see, before today, we they get different kind of precedents. When they say if they vote them into office, they know how they take come. But somebody came at a point. Yaradua, we always mention his name.
Oh.
He said the way when he say he take enter office, he say he no like him. That he won't change the things. And we constantly say the change. That be the only man when we say yes he did for president. When we say for a day up, a bigger conda. You know, a bigger conda 2 times before we say death take and come out. So again, they believe say yes, say the end of the road now they see with this man now with this Damala. What will be named now commissioner for this thing. So make we get that benefit of that. Make we see what will go happen. Make we see what will go happen. Anyway, we could take on that matter when we say day for ground. Make we look this one will bring our mind conda small. At least after the sha this one will take make us good. For UBT, opposite UBTH, by Dr. House there before that place, you get one gutter already there. Vehicle they always they fall for that place. You see this one now. You know this place now. By opposite doctor's house there. People could just run corners, enter this one. This one now, make I tell you the story of this one. This motor, he enter inside the gutter, the white one. He fall enter. 4 boys they inside the vehicle, 4 men inside the motor. When they come, they check the vehicle and all that. Now this one come from nowhere from back. Now he can't jam the motor. In the process, he catch 2 of the men. One die on the spot. You hear me so? The other one get injured. The other 2 that if he jump come for the say the motor meet. You understand? Meet them. So I come they ask now, see this vehicle now. Why till we go feed do to make sure say yes, say vehicles don't they fall for inside this hole like this? Because now almost all the time now this thing they happen. Not be today they happen. No. The problem has been there like forever.
Make I tell you. From January till now, you know say that place na my road.
Yeah.
This one are the 26th car. With the fall for this place.
For just this year now.
This year, this one, not last year. This year now, the 26th. That this one now, this small car, 25. This last one, 26. We don't fall for this place this year. But unfortunately, we don't talk about this thing many times. And when they do that road that time, we can't advocate when come with the Adam the city governor. Because I say either they put one thing for that because if they come from so if you come from
local side,
mostly in the night, you go only think say after that estate junction, you go think say the road just wide.
Because I say why they come.
Mostly for stranger, whenever you don't used to the road, many this thing always happen to. So because of that one, you go think say the road just wide. You don't enter before you know you don't enter that place, and you don't take some lives. Don't take some.
This one take one life.
Don't take many lives. Don't go many things, and of course. You know, now sort of
now, this thing now, before this thing now, I believe say this thing when they happen. It don't they happen before this Edo State traffic management coming, ESMA, road safety office.
You're not far from there.
You're not far from here. Waiting be their work. Waiting be the meaning of road safety.
To safeguard the roads.
They're not on their own. Even the small ipaje where they see they collect, they no fit still use am do something. They no fit meet the state government. You know, now let this Edo State, now police give them work they no go do. Army, give them work, they no go do. Road safety, the work wey they supposed to do, they no go do.
So wetin come dey happen when they go give the work when they no go do?
Now the state government, now they put the blame for them.
Okay.
Because now they dey charge. If you know
Because all those people they suppose to dey under government.
Because I don dey talk am right from time that why e be like say state government wan do anything at times they no dey like to dey carry all these people along. They take decision on their own.
But they dey do security meeting now.
Na only God know wetin dem dey talk there.
Because I don't say periodically. Periodically.
That time they say Oshomole dey talk. Now say the only Oshomole na dey
You understand wetin I talk?
start and end meeting.
Yes.
Because-
So that na for ESCO.
That
na for
That's
ESCO.
for ESCO. But right now, in fact, this my governor, he won't understand.
I know of that, Sha.
So yes, because if not before they go remove the motor now, road safety go there.
Yes, of course.
X-Man go they will dey there. The way these people take the thing, when you enter Lagos, as you enter Lagos, you go see all these people. You go see different kind of sign. How you want it divert come here? How you want it divert? If na night, you go see the reflect the traffic this way the traffic reflectors. Where how you take pass anywhere where.
Wait, no, we don't go far. Which ministry now dey under this one?
Now two-way thing. This one will be infrastructure. That's for roads.
Yes.
Then we'll get the infrastructure. I know if you say on that ministry.
Yes, infrastructure.
I beg you.
Because this is the infrastructure. Because no, in this kind of thing now, what do you feel say be the best thing to do to address
Now
this
just
problem?
to put something wey go reflect for night.
You know what
Then
it is? See, the former PS for government house, what is the name? He don't retire now. He house not too far from this area. He tell us what he be say he do personally, because this is not what be say the thing they go. What he do personally. He puts reflective this. I don't see
Okay,
one.
put that thing, what did
Yes,
that time?
you understand? He put there. People call the jama through here. Many things they don't happen there. So in this place, what if they go put for that? Because if they put heavy stone there now, motor go still go jam the stone there and the rest. In this kind of matter, let me they ask and say, wait, if we no fit think of what they go put there, government no go fit think of how to take address like that.
You know how
human being life.
See.
He pass any kind of
The
money.
best way, as far as saying put reflecting something for there, it no work. Let me see that speed break wey dey after Estate Junction. You supposed to see there.
Okay.
Because
it goes slow down.
whoever they come must slow down. So even if you accelerate, you no go just accelerate that kind acceleration when we say you go come just say enter there, you go fit control the speed.
Because that speed break go reduce.
It go reduce.
And it go bring it to consciousness. Say, I don't reach so place. So
And with that speed break, your eye will be focused on the what do you call it?
The reflective
That
road sign.
road sign wey dey there say danger ahead. You understand?
danger
It's the way we are only advancing solutions. But the only thing we say when we talk and finish, make action follow.
Okay. Now be waiting. No, I know what believe in a lie. I know what believe in a lie.
You know they work.
Victor,
all Lagos dey work. Why not dey work for Edo? Wetin dey happen
now
for
be
this
the
state?
question where you don't
Wetin dey
ask.
happen?
Okay.
The thing is that the commissioner for
Infrastructure. She don't know what you call again.
I don't know, commissioner of infrastructure and environment.
Okay.
That they get that this thing. Maybe they go put that fake road. What do you call it now? Oh, what is it?
Speed breaker.
Speed breaker. Maybe they go put.
No, they put fake. They put better one now.
But the fake one they put since now.
No, they put better one.
The one wey they put for you, the one
no.
The one wey dey for this one na fake one. The one wey dey for Bakers one na fake one. So make they just put the fake one.
If you put that one now, the purpose of putting it there go dey defeated. So we don't say those one wey be say they do say they no dey right, they no fit serve the purpose.
Okay.
When they do better one for that place, so this thing go reduce. Because the number of people vehicles they destroy here, people they die here. We not just come out food our hand. Be like say we know they put value for human being life. As far as nobody we happen to. You know understand? No me happen to somebody go church, go do Thanksgiving, say, thank God something happen to. No me happen to. No be human, nobody happen to. No be human baby.
I believe say the only way things go take dey happen. They go well for this state. Make these people wey dey in charge. Make them dey hold meeting. make them get good relationship with themselves.
That now wetin you see for.
It's still the same thing.
That's what you read for paper that time.
Yes, now.
Just say collaboration.
A collaboration. I can't imagine that this model. In fact, time level themselves. Now, Tukra Butai they deliver lecture on how to handle terrorism and insecurity. Now when they walk about because they look for further for the appointment. Now they give lecture how to tackle insecurity and terrorism. How can these people top generals that and all these people in the security agents that travel abroad know all this law? The way other security agencies in other countries they collaborate. What is making you not to work in Nigeria? They don't fit up. It's me now come and tell them. It's a shame. Big shame to them. Chief of Defence staff go do it all, Army staff go do it all, this one go do it all, DSS go do it all, this one go do it all, police go do it all, this one go do it all. You remember for those they say what happened like when they come do one job patrol when problem come happen between I think police and DSS and people like that for all game and they call the shoot. Remember that thing? Yeah. It's to tell you how disconnected our security agencies be and we want to fight crime and we want to succeed. How we want to succeed like that?
No. Okay, you know what?
How can we something like that?
One thing when we say what thing I go beg us. When I say us now, I beg the Nigerian society, beg the Nigerian government, and all of that. We should go beyond lip service. You understand? Yeah. Because everything we want to say, we go do this one, we want this one, we go do this one, we want this one. According to what one former governor talked that time, he said time don't be say we go do away with earmark. Say want to the eye mark some things. This time don't pass when we say we go talk say this now what you want to do now, what you want to do.
We go subject ourselves to court.
What we don't do now? Be say we go to talk now. Because we cannot be drawing example from countries like small countries like what do they call it?
Ghana,
like like Rwanda. The other day now they remove Nigeria and for US. US somebody saying no Nigerian government or Nigeria notary public get right to sign some kind of papers. But the Ghana own they there. What happen? They go remove Nigeria and come out. Why? Because the way we see yes, they do so many things, they go back, go back. Just imagine what they happen. Just imagine what they happen. Don't know how the country they go back. Before you find a new castle they use for this country. Very typical example, brand new castle they use for this country. From there we come to buy Belgium. You understand? Now what will they buy? Accidental vehicles. Now they bring come from abroad these days. One go bring come from abroad, we can't repair them, can't use them here. See, that only backwardness.
Now we call start kidnapping for Ghana.
Now we call but for the
now we start kidnapping for Ghana.
Can you imagine?
What are we doing? Why? Because those of us in the office we prefer to make money and be showing off. Then the younger ones that are coming up, because when you make, we get the pressure to the people that when you get money, they will give you police, they give you. So the young people watching, seeing you, want to do everything possible to get that money, either through recharge or through anything. And that's what we are.
It's not the impression. If you say you get the impression, say once you get money. Now what will you see for her? You don't understand because it's practical. So very practical. Because
when they play, they say they do your own. When they play, they say they do your own. When you say the office, if you want to show off to them.
If you they look what you say they happen now, once you get money, all the security people, they go to follow you to account. I see one day just yesterday. You get where I forgot it. That's one comedian. One comedian. Yeah, they come out for the now and say, just see me, guys, I do agree to you. This, now I say, wait till they happen. Soldier men and they can't follow body. Two soldier men that can't follow body. It's not at all they can't say this people when they look so. See that if not be the story for them different too. Because why? Because of insecurity. And I'm waiting a BC Dr. Omoifu talk just now, NMA chairman for Edo State. He said because of no security number one, now people they run they come out. Because of say yes, people don't they pay doctors away. Now they run come out. Because of say yes, equipment no dey for hospital. Now they run come out. So
when you know where Uba reach, I know of this town. People they look me now. There's somebody in this town in police na 16. The day when they pass, I count 16. Now my daughter said, stop.
No. You can't 16 policemen because
16 policemen.
Only one.
All the special protection.
Okay, only one. You're surprised that your wife not the door. No. You'll still give something to your wife. You're surprised that your children not the door.
It's about to children. What are we doing?
I mean, people for us now here we go draw the curtain today. I shall say next week.
For tell them the SSG don't go that your place yesterday, and the Commissioner for Works, the Central Park, said they won't do something about it.
That now you see.
They don't go look at now. They say they watch your program. What you will record? They can't go look at.
You know.
Wait
first now. You wait. Now very good thing. Now be that. Make we wait now. Wetin go follow that one? Now this we come dey talk.
Okay.
Because I know all of us, and you agree just now say we don't see them before. No be to talk am. Let's say the action when we say.
No, not talk. Go there.
No, listen now. Now be the thing now.
How is NCP they move out to
Wait first now. Ogoni. When they say they want to wash that, they want to clear, they give contract. They go, the people go there and everything. Where is it tomorrow?
Now where is it today?
Oh, it's even worse now. Because when they clear that time, they don't cover again. Because they don't go to this, the cleaner never ready. Anyway, make we bring now litmus test there be. By way next week or 2 weeks time or later we will find out how the thing work. Next week now we go say again. I greet you. Until next week, my name is Thomas Sado, and don't forget to our brother to Hilary Odia. We thank you so much for the work we do for back of camera. Next week another time. Now good morning.